JERICHO HYDRA Blocks and Civil Works, manufacturers of HYDRA blocks of high quality in different sizes to suit your purpose at an affordable rate. We construct schools, multipurpose halls, warehouses, hospitals, hotels, and all types of housing. We build fencing walls that require no maintenance and construct and avail low-cost housing. We train in manufacturing of high-quality HYDRA foam blocks with a view of job creation by giving practical skills to the young population. JERICHO HYDRA Blocks and Civil Works offers consultancy in housing planning, civil works, construction, land acquisition, estate development, and property renovation. Find us at Plot 3884, Philip Morris Victory Road, Lugala, Lubaga Division, or call us on 0772 41 49 96 or 0752 41 49 96. JERICHO HYDRA Blocks and Civil Works, saving money and preserving the environment.